I want to do a quick review on the LANDWORKS chipper for home use. I've had the most fun with this thing, and it has provided me for mulch, for pathways, and for the garden. Just wanted to touch on it a little bit, maybe be helpful to you. You have a kill switch here, on off. Put it to the on position to run. You also have a 7 horsepower motor, which will do about 3 inches in diameter of any kind of wood, you know, trees, shrubs, stuff like that. And it does have a stop here, so anything over 3, you know, is not going to fit down this area. But you've got the flaps to prevent, you know, anything from kicking back on you, or to help prevent it. The wheels, the assembly, and all went real easy. I didn't do the unbox thing. Sometimes those can get just a little long-winded and kind of boring, but pretty much all you had to mount was this stand and your chute and your discharge. The shipping actually did have just a little bit of damage where it was bent, but nothing that you can see right here in shipping, and you had to put your axle and wheels on, but it didn't, you know, nothing to affect the operation. Come over here to your choke, crank, check your oil. Always check the oil, ensure that it's manual says just to bring it to the top, and you can see, yep, oil looks good. Of course, you got to have gas. Yep, look good there. Be a little on the noisy side, so what did I do with my, there they are. Put my mask on. Sitting on about ready. I've got a few limbs out from the woods where the wind knocked down some trees, and so let's go ahead and get her started. We got her in choke, we got it on rabbit run. Okay, it's 1:29. I don't know, what was that, about 15 minutes or so? I'd have to look at our time. But you can see the mulch that we've made. You know, it's a good fine pathways in your garden. A little bit of mulch around the plants. Keep the moisture in, keep the heat in. Some of the things that I've done with it. Of course, we had a big rain, like a 10-inch rain here the other day, which rearranged all this mulch. But I'll keep it in my pathway on the garden. This little garden area here, you can see I put the mulch down as a path. I actually put a layer of newspaper down. This is a little bit of a weed barrier. Another thing I found helpful is in your compost pile. Is I'll take, you know, a 5-gallon bucket or so and layer it on top. And what that does is kind of keep the heat in. And then when I add more compost, I can just, or add more stuff to the compost pile. I can just add right on top of that. And then when I stir it, mix it, turn it, whatever, I can put another layer on. So that's what I've done here with this. And man, it keeps that stuff is smoking in there right now. So, a lot of uses. Clean up the perimeter of the property. Small scale, easy to store, and a whole lot of fun. You having a day you need to get some aggression out, go get you a LANDWORKS chipper, put it in service, and just have a fun time. All right, that's it for LANDWORKS chipper. If you have any questions or comments or things you'd like to see, just holler back at Papa Spin here in the garden. All right, let's go spread some of this. Thank y'all for watching.